On this week's discussion, we are going to give our views on whether the relational databases will become eventually extinct or not. Relational databases are here to stay, despite the fact that the technology trends are changing fast and database world is evolving. Most developers and database administrators tend to associate their daily duty with what they are familiar with and is easy to understand and implement. Let's now look at the emergence of the NoSQL database, which might seem as a threat to SQL relational databases when looked at the glance, but after careful scrutiny of what really fits a competitively growing environment, atomic data, durable data, and consistency in data implementation goes hand in hand with relational databases. And through this time, relational databases have been linked to object-oriented languages, of which is a widely used method of programming, and the relationships are created within the relational databases strongly with among the objects in the object-oriented programming language. My SQL it's one of the widely used and preferred relational databases. The data security, compliance, and its ability to expand in changing environment is one of the factors that makes it so popular. And having control parameters on who is authorized to access which data, security, and you also have a security, compliance, and widespread community. And these are some of the aspects that drive it and drives it and makes it become most existing enterprise to slow down the moving on migrating to NoSQL databases. Actually, this will I will conclude by saying that it will, if you want to sacrifice autonomy, where transactions are all nothing consistency, where only valid data is saved, isolation for singleton transactions, durability for availability with only availability and flexibility, my answer is no, because of far more than just storage of data in relational databases, as it also ensures there is an order in arrangement of data. Okay, so in my position, the relational databases will not extinct as they are widely supported and have been invested on. The relational databases are more organized and clearly defined. They are also widely used by big enterprises and companies, thus other upcoming companies will want to associate with them. The relational databases are really complex, and to initialize the usage ends cutting the cost of startups. Thank you.